Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming which Gmail account and which device you'll use. This prevents removing the wrong mail. Once signed in, backup email and contacts via Google Takeout or Export Contact CSV so you can restore later. Next, open your Google account settings and go directly to Data and Privacy. This puts the deletion controls in view. Make sure to stay signed in until the final confirmation step so tokens don't expire mid-process. You now choose whether to remove only the Gmail service or delete the entire Google account. Pick the option that matches your goal. Once chosen, verify your identity with password or two-step code because Google requires authentication for destructive actions. Read the consequences carefully: lost mail, sign-in changes, and attached services, then confirm removal. Before finalizing, download any remaining data and unlink third-party apps and devices so nothing silently reconnects afterward. Once you confirm deletion, Google often sends a confirmation to your alternate email. Check it and save any recovery link immediately. After removal, reconfigure connected services or logins that use that Gmail address so you don't lose access elsewhere. If something goes wrong or you deleted the account by mistake, act quickly. Use Google's account recovery flow within the limited recovery window and provide accurate verification details. If recovery fails, reach out to affected services to change login emails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.